Ebusia TGMA 2025. E won sem akoye bebre na artist of the year hono. E hono won sem. E se weni ensa okache na nkofo bisa se amenye bia no Kim Paluta no o deserve anase on deserve.
Paluta ye, it's Kim Paluta ye. Go ye mama, Reggie, go ye mama.
Saliman fihi by I was see a probi or brand I will say why Kim Paluta.
Stone boy. Any can promise ABT Kim Paluta any branding only brand.
Oka so the brand of soldiers.
Ah, yeah, cause will be a brander. Chese o jina hwa who say this is an artist.
Ono so jina hwa kofo bi hu so ya artist. Ono e den.
Or a rapper na no ho kire no a Ghana for am a chance. A friend say wo she papa de bia wo she the brand na look. Wo she the hat kakra.
Kim Paluta so twisting it.
It doesn't matter. But the make catch on say omo ye in contention for that he doesn't come in. Ti mo bia nya emfa nhye memetina me asante ni. Sa ashanti agenda na emfa.
Aha, let's start ghtrends. And any first time I pop into a video, I'm also subscribing. I'm a click on notification bell so for latest updates on follow Facebook as let's start ghtrends and a TikTok so as let's start ghtrends video I'm a follow share any comments be I wanna wager or comment section or mami. Ebusia wa weni tia say any ba music awards they are won to me nka any TGMA emfremu. Neno ana to see our movie release or artist of the year category ne die. Now list now mo de ba abontin artist of the year category no Eyekweku Smoke, Team Eternity, Joe Metal, Kim Paluta, Kim Promise, Stone Boy, and then Black Sheriff. Eti eno anankofo bisa ka say say ye shepa the way I Kim Paluta born a home modern pa fiti last year ne dia ene again it is award ne dia eko e de ma Kim Paluta. Na no na Saliman free by Saliman say anyenye bia wo question e de ma Ghana for
contenders. I'm a face artist of the year category. They are winning it hands down. A Stone Boy. Because Oshe criteria no ye demand audience appeal. Any poor release a new album no okita. The same thing as Kim Promise Onusukita. The same thing as Kim Paluta Onusukita. However, the Stone Boy any Kim Promise ABT Kim Paluta any branding only brand.
Oka so the brand of soldiers.
Ah, yeah, cause will be a brander. Chese o jina hwa who say this is an artist.
Ono so jina hwa kofo bi hu so ya artist. Ono e den.
Or a rapper na no ho kire no a Ghana for am a chance. A friend say wo she papa de bia wo she the brand na look. Wo she the hat kakra.
Kim Paluta so twisting it.
It doesn't matter. But the make catch on say omo ye in contention for that he doesn't come in. Ti mo bia nya emfa nhye memetina me asante ni. Sa ashanti agenda na emfa. Kim Paluta enya artist wo fan base, woni fan base and go ye ono ani show. Oni bi ye ne ya frefre ye no a ye ayetena ta ye ne ya frefre ye sa ene editietie no nwum enti no as a solid brand de onwo bi ana as a brander or ye niama ebro Ghana for adwen so no last year wa anya bi enyum keke no release ye
Sisifian
engrofu okoto
no Sisifian no nya
or release nyum there chance just an aspect okay if I can remember or release nyum
to create a song and
exactly me ni adwene cry the creative into wa ye ne de what you say ba adwene me won na me detena ha make say what you say obia wo ne de a wo ye it will release nyum that's just an aspect of it but say nkrofo to e twa wi say afa na nya eba visibility wo mo ho
na
outside shows locally made outside shows you mean
na omo
who na say who black or say or a friend say Brits awards
na Stone Boy
who so off or your friend say wo ye to wo London in Canada
London anya Ghana for na
no anya London anya this year asem na make us last year no
okay
last year no asem na make us anya this year ana make us say sa closing ceremony of the All African Games in last year last year enye mo ye wo last year no enua ye hu se bra ko Asia meboa can promise ko Asia ekobo ayi wo ho mama forget it. Yes mama forget say last year asem ne ye kayo enti nye this year asem but what na mention na say enti obi obet ye na dwen say ye really Stone Boy out of the first say artist of the year contention no one pakwan is a big joke because so internet so now show what he did last year ne to ya wa ye no or ye the same thing last year but what am person mention as inti no mo bia nye say Stone Boy so in contention and mo bia so me say sa brain no ese de make promise because say oh Stone Boy enya bi da no me second choice I can promise. I've told you this already but any pa me feel say ese winning artist of the year this year no as against last year near me see you know a Stone Boy no other person.
Alright. Saliman no was say ka obi a wo branda. Paluta ni brand bia wo baby a wo ni so brand ade no amboni shows. Oni brand bia wo baby a no ne dia ne say wo de nwom keke o de keke kora sa be o de nwom keke na aba na say on deserve say a cast artist of the year eko edema kra na asem we no ho ene industry players bi buofu pa na omubusa se anyinye bia no sa nipa we no oye hwan ene nipa ba kwa the comment ba ene o try ho ese eye Reggie Rockstone grandpapa or same who is she though? With all due respect I ask this, I mean as in who is she in the space and why is she being interviewed? In what capacity? Sorry if I missed much. Olu gotta keep up. I need filler and context. Paluta is a solid brand to me and more cause his story is definitely inspirational to the upcoming ones. And all I say, dude, shows the art of determination, perseverance, and consistency. Those are solid traits of a solid brand. The brand description and tag is used rather loosely in GH though. Everyone is a brand by my own rights, no. If I subscribe to this lady in this video vibes cause identify with her brush loud mode, am I a fan of hers? Possibly yes. I am down with her ways, then no. Her brand is as she shows us here. So she has one. Yep, this is her brand. This definitely proves to me that Paluta has one too, and so much so with his vibe and brand got her shouting on here about him. Surely, this young man is significantly a brand worthy of a whole show with her on it. Correct me if I am wrong, folks. To be up in a conversation about the artist of the year must definitely mean you are not just a brand, but a very powerful one as well. Yep. Now, she's a sema Reggie Rockstone nyina ne say anyeye bia no sa lady ni Saliman no we no oye hwan ya ofri hin na hwan na man the chance to even sit there, why na man the platform to be interviewed okay can nsem sisi no loud personality na o portray say me pedia na meaning me like no nti oye brand right enti sanso ana Paluta no matter what and so your brand because so like Paluta has been in the industry for a very long time, just that na onya light and now he has it or inspiration to most young people coming what I say upcoming artists no omission will say yeah there's a way for us because yes bibeba young so people will get to know us and see us there lady ne Canada there Saliman can cry there or no Reggie Rockstone saying Onko pe na wabokra atwegu ne nipa bako onu de udwa lai kra eye obi amponsa de etise ne buofu panti onu de or the firing and a buy say because same nkwasiasem say while other musicians are selling out arenas, look at the direction of so-called stakeholders. Instead of putting off Tom's microphone, the presenter is rather encouraging her to spill this. Oh Ghana na say obi amponsa de onu no ambe spare Saliman kra and even the host of the show obusa say Now, no, nipa ne keka nsɛm na wo sɛ nsɛm na wo keka ne enko ye na obedu me microphone na wa pam no na we say abonte no. You are there encouraging it and ne den no so so keka bi na ke Paluta no and or ni brand bi na wo brand na ko amoni show na san nsɛm na wo ma wo kwan ama wa besi ho a wo keka. This is not the first time Saliman is actually doing this. It's like oni wo friend ko phobia o se omo won click mu oni wunni saa de ne pe the way be say abeka wasem if you are there you may even feel like you are not even doing anything what I say into Reggie Rockstone ni obi amponsa de almost saa de we de no it shouldn't be tolerated because enye kra untimi nkasa obi new brand only brand about the nyuma ba abonti amanko for start to wait for people are so happy about it. So what are you trying to say? As I say, international say, ne man say Salman in any case inti Uncle Pay baby and that but still na TGMA 2025 ne say beba suti yet hair chain artist of the year no dear Ghana for ebe voti e de amano de besi bia me di update ebe bro aha let's talk ghtrends and then the first time I know subscribing so e de amano no follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends video we ama for about share we ding e de na make sense makram